Here is a quick how-to guide to the installing and stowing the partitions in between rooms 119, 120, 121, and 122 of the Sir Alexander Fleming building at South Kensington, and for teaching seminar rooms at Commonwealth Building and Wolfson Education Centre at Hammersmith Campus. To open the partition when it is closed, first locate the partition with keyhole. Insert the partition key and turn fully to release the first panel from the wall. Carefully manually push this first panel by following the tracks at the ceiling so it stows flush against the wall. With the first panel out of the way, this will reveal the keyhole in the middle of the next panel. Insert the key and turn to release the panel. Then, as with the first panel, manually handle it so it follows the tracks at the ceiling, so it becomes flush against the first panel. Repeat on the subsequent panels, making sure to move one panel at a time. It is important to turn the key fully, as this releases the acoustic barriers and avoids causing damage when moving the panels. Once the final panel is aligned with the other panels, insert the key into this last panel and turn it clockwise fully. This will lock the panel and secures the panels into place. To close the partition, insert the key into the outermost panel and rotate it anti-clockwise fully to release the panel. Push the first panel to the opposite end. Rotate it so that the protruding edge slots into the receiving end. Use the key and pulley to secure this panel in place. Repeat on the subsequent panels, making sure to move one panel at a time. It is important to turn the key fully as this deploys the acoustic barriers of each panel. With the last panel, align it against the previous panel. Lift the key cover and insert the key. Turn fully so the panel seals against the wall. When moving or locking partition walls, be careful of trapping objects or body parts between the panels. Do not force partition panels if they do not engage. Instead, call the AV team and ask help.